Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a mukbang or a mukbang or however the F you want to say it. I was driving with my sister and we wanted McDonald's, so I got some nuggets. What boy? I feel like this is super weird to be filming me eating. It's so weird to me, but we're just gonna go with it. I have Orange Fruitopia because it's the best. Boy, that's a hot candle. I lit a candle for you guys. So we're having a nice romantic dinner. I also got some mini eggs because I thought I could eat some mini eggs. So I'll show you what I got from McDonald's. We have a medium fry, which I don't eat them with ketchup or anything. I eat them plain because I love them plain. And then, oh my god, there's so many fried eggs. Boy, oh my goodness, you are so bad. He got it. Well, it's his now. I like my nuggets with sweet and sour sauce, and I got 2 sauces because my sister doesn't really eat any sauce. So she gave me hers. Oh gosh, I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna dump the fried eggs in here. Yes, delicious. I don't know what to do with that. I'm so excited for these. Boy, ate the whole fry. What are you doing? You're crazy. I also have, this one's empty actually, Marina ate it. I have these eggs. I have an Oreo one and a Chips Ahoy one. They were on sale at Shoppers for 50 cents, which is amazing. I love fries. Oh my god. What do I talk about? I don't even know. I'm just gonna eat my dinner. I never eat McDonald's. Like, I hardly ever eat fast food ever. So this is like, oh my god, I'm so excited. And I eat them with so much sauce on them. And no boy, it's not for you. Get down. You're a bad boy. Get down. Go. He doesn't listen to me. What am I gonna do? Nothing. They're so crunchy and so crispy. They made these fresh. We had to wait outside forever. I went to the McDonald's in Osborne in Winnipeg, and we had to have been waiting for our fries for like 7 minutes. We were in like one of the stalls to wait. And then when I got my Fruitopia, it was like water. And Marina's was kind of watered down too. So when the guy dropped off my nuggets, like mine was like water. I like asked him, I was like, hey, can I like pull around to the drive-thru and get another Fruitopia? And he said, sure. Are you gonna get another one? No, I can't. You can't. You're gonna have a heart attack and die. No. You just ate so much oil. Hey, you're crazy. This is what he does with popcorn, with chips, with crackers, with anything really. To like swat at me. Is this a medium fry? This is like a lot of fries. What's that? You're interested, aren't ya? Get out of here. Silly cat. My nose is running. I don't even know why. So I finally got this camera back that I'm filming on after 2 months. 2 months of this person having my camera. I keep hunching over. It's bad. And I was gonna buy just like a new lens when it dropped. The boy was doing something like he was doing now, and he knocked my camera over. But I decided to go and get it fixed because I thought maybe it'll be cheaper. But like, I had it for 2 months, so really it wasn't cheaper because that time, you know what I mean? It's so annoying. It's so annoying. But whatever, I have it now and it's so clean. I can like see light reflecting from the lens, and before it was so dirty. And no matter how many times I wiped it down, it was just disgusting. So it's one good thing that came out of it, I guess. I don't know. I wish I had mayo. I already dipped my fries in mayo, or actually I'd make honey dill. I watched this video today on I forget what channel it was. I don't know, I couldn't tell you. But it was German kids trying Canadian food. And they tried like all dressed chips, they tried a poutine, they tried honey dill sauce, they tried a honey bun. Oh, cheesy, or like Cheez-Its or whatever no, not Cheez-Its, the things that are like cheesy with the crunchy, I forget what they're called. And like none of the kids like the, oh, okay, well I guess I'm doing this then. None of the kids like the honey dill. I think I thought that was honey dill, which is so strange to me because honey dill is so good. If you don't know what honey dill is, it was actually created in Manitoba in a Greek restaurant, and it was like a mistake when they were making sauces. And this sounds weird, but it's mayo, honey, and then dill. It's the most delicious sauce you'll ever eat. I dip my fries in it. I dip anything in it. Corn dogs are really good dipped in it. But that's like really sweet. It's like borderline. Man, I keep wanting to dip it in there. Borderline, like not savory anymore. Anyway, I love honey dill. It's like, I wish I had stuff to make it. I don't even have honey. I keep dipping this in here. I don't know. I guess I like it. I just really want honey dill. Like real bad. So bad. I filmed a makeup tutorial on this look that I have on. And I've tried to upload it to YouTube twice. The first time, it only uploaded like 3 minutes of it. Then the second time, I think it only uploaded 8 minutes of it. Let me check, because when I was, no, YouTube Studio. When I was waiting at McDonald's, I was like, oh, maybe I can like put my video like live. How many? How can I see? I forget. Oh yeah, it says 8 minutes and 54 seconds. And the video is like 12 minutes, so I don't know why it's doing that. YouTube used to do that all the time, and I thought it was just like my old laptop. But apparently it's happening again. I don't know why. It's not like there's, I don't know, it's a pretty basic, not a lot of editing. He's like, we're having a bath. Boy, what's this? Come get it. Oh my god. Come get it. Want it? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. That is so cute. God, I love him so much. Sometimes I like dipping it in like so much sauce like that. Like not all the time, but sometimes. I love sweet and sour sauce too. It's so good. You want another fry? Ah! Guys, don't judge me for giving him fries. Whether I give them to him or he opens up my cupboard when I'm gone, he'll get them either way. So it's really out of control, my control at this point. So, and he's a very healthy cat. So, don't judge me. Like cats out in the wild, like stray cats must eat so much shit that's in the like bins outside. I couldn't even imagine. Really, I couldn't. Oh god. You know how like some people like the weird shapes and then some people like the round ones? I never understood that. They're literally the same thing. Like the shape of it doesn't matter. I don't know. Something to note. See, sauce on it. Maybe I won't need my other sauce. I never like order 2 sauces, but since Marina didn't want hers, I said, why in the hell not? I feel like there's so many fries here. So many fries. What's that? What, you can't get it? Only a little piece. None, I'm kidding, none. You don't get any. You already had like 3, maybe 4. I can't remember. I don't know. Oh, people keep asking me if I've dyed my hair in my videos as well. I haven't. You can see all my gray hair. I bought dye, so I'm gonna dye it. I'm gonna dye it black. I was thinking maybe I should do a color, but I'm just having like a midlife crisis, so I really don't need to dye it a color. Like, I don't know. I was bored. I'm thinking I should, which I shouldn't. Like, I absolutely should not. But in my, like, my lights, I have one softbox that's like super warm because all of my lights are cool, so I try and balance it out. But sometimes I put it kind of to light behind me, like my back wall, and it'll sometimes reflect onto my hair and it'll to make it look red. So I haven't dyed my hair, it just appears red sometimes, you know. I'm getting full. I'm like, I have that many left, but I think I'm over this. I think. I bought a new lighter at Dollarama. A Winnipeg Jet lighter. How interesting. Oh. What are you doing, boy? Hey? I don't want to touch you, I'm eating. He's such a hound. You're such a hound. You think that he never ate. Today he actually puked. Oh, wow, I shouldn't be feeding you fries since you did puke today. He was knocking stuff off my counter. I got these mini eggs on sale. They were, I don't know, they were on sale for after Easter. He was knocking stuff off my desk over there, and when I went over there, I found my Dermablend compact on the floor. I was so mad, but it didn't break, so love you. And then, this might be gross, but like he puked on the floor, and it was like, looked like it was just like dry food compacted into his esophagus, and then he just like spit up the whole thing. It was like in like a log. It like looked like this lighter. It was like dry. So I think he just inhaled food. And usually, like, I feed the wet cat food too. Like, I do like wet cat food once a day, and then they can eat dry food whenever they want. You just ate too much. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. I want to eat one of these. So this is the Chips Ahoy. I don't even know what these are called. Just like Chips Ahoy. Oh my god. Like Butterfingers. I don't even know. But they're like those like Cadbury cream eggs, but those are bullshit. I hate cream eggs. Like, I do not like them at all. But it looks like one. So I guess it's like the kind of the same idea. You know? Oh, I'm so excited for this. It's so good. It's like, it tastes like butter. Like, ding, I don't know. It's so good. It's cracking open. It's so sweet though. Like the cookie dough. Oh. Soy sweet. I like these. Delicious. Boy, come here. Come on. Okay. Oh. Hey. It's not for you. Maybe you'll get some later though. Just kidding. No Don-Dons for you. Mickey D's. McDonald's. I don't know. So cute. Okay, I think I'll end this video. It's like so sweet though. I wish they took mine that was like the water and then mixed it with this. This I can like feel on my teeth. It's so sweet. Yeah, boy. Oh, I love you. He'll sit like this for hours. He is my little child. He's so needy. But I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. Yes, I do. So sweet. Okay, I'm gonna go. Talk to you later.